based on the concept of Industry 4.0, 6 S factories have been established in TCI Precise I Manufacturing Center. Now, let me introduce the latest founded, unmanned S12 automated warehousing factory. The temperature and humidity of the 8,238 storage spaces in the S12 automated factory are automatically controlled on a 24/7 basis. A three-dimensional warehouse system with high-rise shelves has been introduced. With the highly automated operation of this system, the operating time can be reduced by 30%, and staff members' direct contact with the goods can also be greatly reduced. As a fully automated smart factory that achieves perfect cleanliness in the entire region, the S12 automated warehousing factory will be in full operation even under special circumstances.
The S12 factory serves as a comprehensive automated logistics center for global shipments with its intelligent logistics processes for handling, storage, and inventory management. By using the tracked sorting transfer vehicles and trackless automated guided vehicles, the material supply, production, and shipment of 3 factories are linked up, and the manpower is reduced by 30%. The lifting and transport equipment operates at a high speed of 160 meters per minute, transporting nearly 100 pallets per hour to provide the light-speed ready-to-go solution for our customers, then satisfy the logistics needs of the entire I manufacturing center on a 24/7 basis. We have overcome more than 2,000 challenges and realized cross-system integration by introducing an SAP order management system, a manufacturing execution system, a warehouse management system, and trackless automated guided vehicles to promptly satisfy the customer's needs and shorten the lead time. From the filling process to the packaging process, unmanned production is carried out on the S12 production lines through fully automated management. Customers can create exclusive product IDs with our special trackable marketing technology, and multi-marketing packaging design as well as dynamic visual design, and develop unique customized products. Also, with these technologies, various digital marketing campaigns can be applied to enhance consumer brand engagement and even add value to products so as to achieve success in marketing campaigns and create countless hits.
With our smart logistics and production lines, unmanned or with few operators, fully automated smart logistics services can be provided in the whole center, which is excellent in cleanliness. We have minimized the staff members' direct contact with the products to effectively prevent viral infections. We do not only complete the orders at full speed, but we also maintain the best quality of the products. By realizing full automation, intelligentization, cleanliness in this digital smart logistics center is thoroughly achieved.